Hello, in front of me I've got TECNO Common 18 Premier. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Now enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable OK Google function. Tap next, agree. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that the assistant's responses on lock screen are enabled. And now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 28 and a low of 15.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.